Raw Banana Sabzi, gut friendly, and it has potassium. It releases sugar in the blood slowly as compared to the ripe bananas. So we are going to peel off the banana skin, and make sure when you buy the banana they are very big in size, because if they are very tiny, then the inside banana will be very less. So these are thick, like wider. So now peel off the skin, and after chopping it, you keep it in the water. If you don't keep it in the water, then it gets oxidized. And when you're removing the skin, if the green portion, little bit, my mother used to always keep it. She used to say, no, don't peel it off completely. Even the light green portion is also healthy. Now we are going to take some water and put some salt and turmeric and boil the water. Cook the bananas in this until they are soft, not mushy, until they are perfectly, you can pass the knife through. And now I'm going to remove them out of the water. And now we are going to do the tadka seasoning with some oil. Mustard seeds should splutter, otherwise they will taste bitter. So always make sure they splutter. Add cumin seeds, green chilies, and curry leaves if you have. And when you're putting the dry masala, what we are going to do is we are going to add some cilantro and then add the dry masala so that it doesn't get burnt. Make sure the gas flame is low, or if pan is too hot, then you can put it off also for some time until you add banana. Now we are going to add this cooked bananas in this and add some salt. We want this sabzi to be dry, but add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of water, so it's dry but it's a little bit wet. When you eat it, you don't feel the too much dryness. And allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it absorbs all the spices. And it's ready. And now add cilantro and serve it with roti or rice.